Let me show you how to replace skies in Photoshop. Start by selecting your layer, then go into Edit Sky Replacement. This will open the sky replacement window in Photoshop. We'll use artificial intelligence known as Adobe Sensei to find and replace the sky from the skies drop down. You can select one of the presets in these three categories, or you can upload your own photo for this tutorial. I'll use this sky in this particular category. Then under the sky adjustment, you can use these sliders to control your sky's brightness and temperature. If you need to, you can also scale the sky and flip it horizontally by checking this box. And you can also have sliders that allow you to control the foreground's brightness and color. Make sure that you output to new layers and press OK. Photoshop will create a group and generated all the layers needed to create your sky replacement. And best of all the layers remain editable. You can click on the eye icon to see the before and the after. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.